The original Yardman style, wicked and wild, crazy, well versatile. Listen, I miss a second father man because you come for build it up. Build back Jamaica where labor and mash up. Through election, knock on the road, them start patch up. Them say patrol the tacky, can the tacky, can the tacky. Them say patrol la kick, this are the latest lyrics. Them say patrol the tacky, can the tacky, can the tacky. Them say patrol the tacky, can the latest lyrics. Hey, when corruption thing it a go stop, and this a government a can't win back. SSL big E that thing that. You better bring back the 5 laptop. Investigation we want know that. Mine a your name dep on the top. So Mr. Man where you a try hide that. And them say patrol the tacky, can the tacky, can the tacky. Them say patrol the tacky, these are the latest lyrics. Them say patrol the tacky, can the tacky, can the tacky. Them say patrol the tacky, these are the latest lyrics. Me say hey Jamaican the place one fix. Now have no money for go in a market. Can't afford medication if you feel sick. Go hospital you have to pay for the drip. All Sergeant Brown get fed up of it. When rain start fall and the roof start drip. Statement for write and them can't write it. Hey Jamaica no come listen this. The fireman said them want more equip. When the fire start them not have nothing for out it. Them say patrol the tacky, can the tacky, can the tacky. Them say patrol the tacky, this is a new brand lyrics. Them say patrol the tacky, can the tacky, can the tacky. Them say patrol the tacky, this are the latest lyrics. Yo, we're kind of fed up of that system, man. You understand?
You think control?
Yeah, man. Them do some things in our eyes, brethren.
Free Rasta.
And some people see it and afraid for talk, you know.
Talk out.
You understand? But we not sit down and watch certain things that go on and don't talk, you know.
Yeah,
we speak
mad.
out. You understand? That's what the thing there.
Jamaican, you know.
Crazy J.
Yeah, man. Each one guide one, you understand?